Okay, Jedi reporting for a Saturday afternoon. This is Jedi's studio tour, new studio tour continued. Got the brand new skater, $20, not the brand new skater, but the $20 skater. Got my backpack from Trigger Brothers, from my sponsor. Got this about a year and a half ago from Sorrento Trigger Brothers as a sponsor. Got my bed with the new pillows. Got about 4 new pillows, blue pillows, dark blue, navy blue pillows, light sky blue pillows, navy blue pillows, sky blue pillows. Got my deodorant cans. Got the old deodorant cans and about 5 new deodorant cans. About 5 new, brand new deodorant cans and about 6 old deodorant cans. Got my trophy. Got my hats. Lakers hats, Celtics hats, New York hats, Spurs hats, Phoenix Suns hats. Got goggles. Got spare goggles. Got my black Globe shoes down there. Got my skater for my upper body training and my lower body training. Got my bathroom, soap, liquid gel, soaping gel, shampoo, coconut oil. Got my towels. Got my toilet paper roll. Got my toilet. Got my mirror, toothpaste, toothbrush, soap. All cool. All cool. Got chalky, rolled chalky, twirled chalky, flake chalky, chalky eggs. Still got some left in the Cadbury favourites. Got my soccer ball, feeler soccer ball. Got empty bags. Got some books down there. Got some jeans and a spare belt down there. Got the Jedi diaries. The Jedi diaries that go back from 2009, 2008, 2007, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. The old Jedi diaries. All cool. All cool. Jedi's famous $1 million studio apartment. It's famous $1 million studio apartment house. All cool. All cool.